eBay's going to report earnings tonight. I know you've been trimming this ahead of the earnings. What are you expecting to hear on the call?
Well, when the stock got to like 41, 42, it had had a bit of a run, and it was really clear that there was not going to be, or there's not going to be upside to the print because of currency and Europe. About 30% of their revenues are tied to Europe, and it's not surprising that it'll probably be slow. But I just think that you're capped on the upside until you get through this quarter. Maybe they will guide a little bit conservatively for the next quarter. I think you just get through that, and we would love to buy it back.
What about the Visa MasterCard settlement? On the PayPal side of the business, is that going to be a benefit?
I think so. I mean, I think that the settlement actually levels the playing field for not only for PayPal, but also for American Express and Discover. And so I think you could see some sort of a benefit. You'll see certainly lower costs on the PayPal side, but then you could see maybe a benefit on the volume side down the road. So it's certainly not a reason why we would be buying the stock, but we do like the secular growth in PayPal as it is. And so this would be a nice little positive, it's a nice positive development.
You mentioned conservative guidance should come out of the call. Do you think that's priced in to the stock at this point?
No, especially since today the stock's up 3% into the print. So as I say, 41, 42, we were trimming it. It got to 38 last week, and we had our eyes buying it back at maybe 36. So that's kind of the area where I think we'd be more comfortable buying. Again, if you see it pull back, I do think it'll be a short-term situation, because I do think that the long-term secular growth trends are really there, not only for PayPal, but also for Marketplace. The stock's trading at 13 times forward estimates, and that is half of what some of its peers are trading at. So it's really not that expensive, and it certainly has a great balance sheet, and it's growing double digits, both top and bottom line. So I think there are a lot of good things, but this is just kind of a sentiment call, and if we're wrong, that's okay. We still own a lot of it, but if we are right, we'll be buying it.